Hey guys, it's Kortnee from Clarington Nissan again, and right now I'm sitting inside of one of our 2020 Nissan Kicks SR. SR is the top of the line model for the Kicks lineup. It's going to give you all the bells and whistles that this vehicle comes with, and trust me when I say, guys, this vehicle is nicely appointed. Nissan Kicks is one of our most cost-effective vehicles, and because it's the month of December, just got a whole lot more cost-effective, guys. So December 2020 is coming to an end. It's finally coming to an end, and it is the last month of the year. So the deals are never going to get better than what they are right now. So for this month, guys, I can get you into a finance on a Nissan Kicks, any Nissan Kicks, S, SR, or SV for 0% for 84 months. So you can finance this thing all the way up to 7 years at 0%. All of our loans are completely open. You can pay that off quicker if you wanted to, but why would you when you're not paying any finance charges? So on a finance on an 84-month term on this vehicle specifically, I can get you a payment of $169 bi-weekly. Taxes in, that's your payment that's coming out of your bank account every 2 weeks. That's no money down, that's no trade-in. That's exactly what you're paying, guys. And if you wanted to go over to the lease option, we can get you into a lease. I can get you into a lease on exactly this vehicle, again, the SR model, top of the line trim, top of the line color option for $346 monthly on a lease. On a lease that gives you a 20,000 kilometer per year allowance. And again, no money down, taxes out the door, guys. That is the price you're paying. If you don't believe me, come by, I'll print you off a quote and I'll show you myself. That is the price you'd be paying. And it doesn't stop there. For this month, we're also going to give you a $600 credit so you can buy winter tires for your Kicks. This vehicle is a front wheel drive vehicle, and we can give you $600 so that you can put a set of winters on it as well. If you want to buy rims, if you want to buy sensors, if you want to buy some additions to add to this beautiful vehicle, buy it right at the start, roll it right into your payments, change your payments by a few dollars rather than having to throw down hundreds or even thousands of dollars all at once. Roll it right into your payment, guys. That's an amazing offer. It's not going to last long because December is going to come to an end eventually, and we are running out of inventory. For the SR models, I think we have 6 or 7 left, and then we have probably around 10 between the SV and the S models. Now, I am going to do a video to show you guys what your payments would be on the S model. Keep an eye out for that video. But for now, I'll take you on a quick walk around this vehicle, and then I'll show you the interior and show you a few things that this vehicle comes with. Alright guys, really quick, I'm going to take a quick walk around this 2020 Nissan Kicks SR and tell you a little bit about it. So for starters, under the hood, you've got a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine. This vehicle is going to come with front wheel drive, automatic transmission all the way across the board on all 3 trim levels. But this is the SR model, and once you get up into the higher models, you do have those 2-tone color options available to you, like you see right here with this beautiful blue and white one here. So Nissan has on some of their vehicles what we call the Nissan 360 Safety Shield. This vehicle has it specifically as well, which includes intelligent emergency braking with pedestrian detection. You've got forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot indicators on the inside, which I will point out to you guys. And those are also going to work with your rear cross traffic alert. And then you've also got rear intelligent emergency braking as well. Now that's standard in the Kicks lineup, so you're going to get that right from the base model. But what this model is going to give you is you're going to get remote keyless entry. You're also, actually remote keyless entry is standard as well, so is push button ignition, but you're going to get remote engine start in this one as well, which you don't get in the base model. Now, reverse camera is also going to come standard. This being the top of the line trim, you're going to have a 360 camera on this one, guys. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are also going to be some upgrades that you get in this vehicle as well. And just before I hop inside the vehicle, guys, I want to mention if you're somebody who just wants to shop from the comfort of your home, we are absolutely offering that. Reach out to me by phone or by email. We can set up everything you need for your vehicle purchase all online, whether it's on email, on phone, anything like that. And we could deliver the car right to your home, fully sanitized and ready to go. Taking a look over at this side as well, and I'll make my way back up to the front to point out that you've got LED headlights up front as well. Now let me show you guys the inside. Alright guys, so that was a look at the 2020 Nissan Kicks, and this was the SR model. Like I mentioned, top of the line trim, you're getting all the bells and whistles in this vehicle, and it really is a great vehicle. It was designed by Nissan to target millennials, but I've sold this vehicle to every generation that you can think of. This is a great vehicle for anybody if you're looking for an affordable vehicle that, you know, has some additional perks in it as well. Now guys, I will mention, I know December is a financially busy month for most people with the holidays and Christmas and everything like that, not to mention everything going on with COVID. But if you come by Clarington Nissan and you ask for Kortnee, that's me, I'll let you in on my little secret on how you can have the best of both worlds, and you can get that brand new car that you want, and I can let you in on a little secret on how you can still have some money for Christmas shopping and have your car. Best of both worlds, guys, but you have to ask for me in order to get that secret. But I'm not joking. I'm not pulling the wool over anyone's eyes. I've got a good little secret that will work for this vehicle specifically. So, like I mentioned, guys, this one right here, 2020 Nissan Kicks SR, I can get you into this vehicle during the month of December on a finance for as little as $169 bi-weekly. Taxes in, that's the money that comes out of your bank account. And if you want to do the leasing option instead, I can get you into a 64-month lease for as little as $346 monthly, with 20,000 kilometers being your allowance for the year. But that, again, guys, no money down, no trade-in. Taxes in, I'm not lying to anybody. I am letting you know exactly what your payment's going to be. So if you want to take advantage of these awesome numbers, of these awesome incentives, and the great promos going on for the end of the year, come by quick because we only have a few of these left in stock. I think for the SR models, we have 6 or 7 left in stock, and I think we have a handful of SVs and S's. Now, I am going to do a video after this one on the S model of the Kicks. I'll do the same thing. I'll let you guys know what your payment's going to be on both lease and finance. But if you have any other questions, send me an email to Kortnee@claringtonnissan.com or give me a call at the dealership here. The number is 905-697-8444. Make sure if you see this video and you come by the dealership because you want to see this vehicle, make sure to report to court, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.